Good morning students. Today we are discussing about trigonometry in that assignment number 9. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin A plus B by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. See children, what is given? A, B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Now we are taking a right angle triangle ABC. All you know that angle sum property of a triangle, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Now we are sending A to other hand side. So B plus C is equals to 180 minus A. On dividing, above equation by 2, we get B plus C by 2 is equals to 180 minus A by 2. 180 minus A by 2. So now we are simplifying. B plus C by 2 is equals to 90 minus A by 2. On taking sine ratio on both sides. So we are taking sine B plus C by 2, which is equals to sine 90 minus A by 2. Sine B plus C by 2 is equals to, we know the ratio of complementary angles, sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, cos A by 2. Cos A by 2. Now we are proving sine B plus C by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. Right? Hence proved. Now next problem. Question number 2. If tan 2A is equals to cot A minus 18 degrees, where 2A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Find the value of A. See children, what he is given. So, given that tan 2A is equals to cot A minus 18 degrees. On compound ratios, cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. That's why tan 2A can be written as cot 90 minus 2A, which is equals to cot A minus 18 degrees. See children, we are comparing these two ratios. Then 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18 degrees. By simplifying this, 2a plus a is equals to 90 plus 18. So 2a plus a is 3a is equals to 90 plus 18, 108. So a is equals to 108 by 3. Therefore a is equals to, so here we are cancelling 3 ones are 336 degrees sir. So 36 degrees. A value is 36 degrees. Next question. Now question number 3. If sin A is equals to cos B, then prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. See children, here what is given? Sin A is equals to cos B. We know that compound ratios sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. In the same way, sin A is equals to, we can write it sin 90 minus B. Here we are using compound ratios. Sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So in place of cos we are substituting sin 90 minus B. So by comparing these two ratios, then A is equals to 90 minus B. We are sending minus B to other hand side, then A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. Right? Hence proved. Hence proved. Next one, fourth question. Question number 4. Evaluate secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. Now we are evaluating this one, secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. So secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees, it can be written as secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 can be written as 90 minus 35, 90 minus 35 degrees. So secant 35 by cosecant 90 minus theta. Here also we are using complementary angles, ratio of complementary angles. Cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. So secant 35 degrees. What we are using here? Cosecant 90 minus theta is equals to secant theta. Right. So secant get cancelled. Now the value of the problem is 1. Now the last question of this assignment. See children, it is fill in the blank, simple, sine 90 minus a is equals to, all you know that the complementary angles, sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. In the same way, sine 90 minus a is equals to cos a. Now the assignment is end. Thank you, students.